twister, I beg your pardon. I said it was a Rotax engine. It's actually a Jabiru engine, I beg its pardon. The Australian Jabiru engine.
Lovely that, eh?
Some very impressive machinery taxing in front of us now. The ME-108 with Dan Griffiths, who we've seen already today. But behind us is an ME-109 flown by Cliff Spink, Air Marshal Cliff Spink. The 109 actually a Merlin engine variant, as used by the Spanish Air Force. If you look above you now, you'll see the tug and the Swift glider. That's a Polish design, the Swift glider. And he's just pulled off the tow, so now concentrate on the glider with the smoked wingtips as Guy does some beautiful manoeuvres into a loop. Rolling into literally a cartwheel.